Hello everybody. Today is my final day for my Vlogmas. This will be 31 days that I've done a video, and I appreciate you all so much for watching all my boring videos. Some of them weren't as bad as some of the others. But anyhow, there is a reason behind this video. I went to Aldi's a little while ago, and they did not have any cabbage at all. So I had to go to Kroger, and I meant to pick up some ranch dressing mix while I was at Kroger's. I forgot. Aldi's was absolutely horrible. They weren't keeping track of the people that was inside until I came out, because there was people everywhere. And Kroger was also keeping track of who goes in and out, but not until I came out. But it was a madhouse. It's like we're going to get a blizzard or something. And then I found out while I was in there, one of the cashiers said it was crazy because everybody is getting their $600 stimulus checks already. Well, if they're going to get it, I wished it would have been the $2,000, but, you know, it is what it is. But anyhow, I am making the ranch dressing mix right now. Only because I need it. Well, no, not only. I've been meaning to do this, and I just haven't, because I don't want all the chemicals and additives and everything that's in the store-bought kind. Okay, in here, I have got a half a cup of buttermilk powder. And this is what I get. I've got some in storage, but I wasn't going to go in there and dig it out, so I got this. Okay, on here, I have got 2 tablespoons, get this out of the way, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley. There is 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Here is 2 teaspoons of chives, 2 teaspoons of dill weed, 1 tablespoon of, supposed to be dried minced onion, but all I had was the chopped onions, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. To all this, I'm going to add to if I can get it in here without spilling it, add all this to my buttermilk powder. I don't usually use a whole lot of pepper in anything, so this is supposed to be called for. No, it's supposed to call for 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Well, I put slightly less than that because I don't usually cook with pepper at all. But put this all in here and just mix it up. And whenever you go to make your ranch dressing, you use 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 2 tablespoons of this mix. Depending on how much this makes, I may go ahead and make another batch and put it in here. Look like one might do though. Put it in here and keep it stored in my pantry. Even the like the garlic powder, how I keep from having it clump up, like I do my salt, I keep, and I can't get them out of there. Let me get a pair of chopsticks and maybe I can get it out of there with those. Don't know how this is going to work. There we go. Toothpicks. I keep toothpicks in my garlic powder, and it seems to be working so far. Because I got tired, and I'll need to put some in this onion powder. And I think that's about it. I've got some in my salt. So, but anyhow, that's how I keep it from clumping up. But I think I'll make another batch. to put in here. But there you go. It's ranch dressing mix. Because I'm desperate, I'm not going back to the store. I'm just not. There's too many people out there, and it's New Year's Eve, and people getting their stimulus checks. So I just would rather stay at home. And I've got my lid already labeled here. Ranch dressing mix and what it takes to make one batch of the ranch dressing. So anyhow, that is today's video. And that concludes my Vlogmas of 31 days of December. And if anybody's planning on going out this evening, please be careful. Don't drink and drive. Stay safe, stay healthy, but try to have fun at the same time. I'm going to be here by myself, and that's just fine. I spent the day yesterday having company, so that was fine. But I'm going to get off here. Y'all take care, stay safe, and stay healthy. And we'll see you in 2021. And let's hope it's going to be a better year for all of us. Y'all take care. I appreciate each and every one of you all. Don't ever forget that. So we'll see you all next year. Bye.